Type in the keywords peanut butter. Volunteers answering phones, not slot machines at the Motor City Casino.
I do like those slot machines, though. They are answering your calls for something great. WWJ's 6th Annual Radiothon to benefit Thaw, the Heat and Warmth Fund, and Fox 2's Lila Lazarus is live in Detroit with more on how you can help and some singers as well, Lila.
Yeah, Jay, Dina, kind of hurting my ears as a Michigan grad. They're Ohio State grads, and they won't stop singing the fight song. Can you guys cut it just for a minute? Come on, you're killing me here. Now, you're Sandy Hermanoff,
yep,
a graduate of Ohio State.
The Ohio State University.
Why are you guys here? This is Michigan territory.
Well, we want to raise $5,000 for Thaw, and if we do, then Joe Donovan will recite.
From WWJ Radio.
Will recite the Ohio State fight song.
Wow.
Yeah, isn't that great?
And what is it in your heart that brought you down on a Saturday morning?
All the people who don't have heat, and we want to help in any way we can.
Well, thanks for doing what you do. I want you guys to keep singing far away from me. So go ahead. Get out. Go. Hail to the victors. See you later.